If you're looking for a four-legged friend capable of bringing laughter, then German Shepherds are the perfect choice. With their cheerful personalities and silly antics, they will definitely make your life more interesting. Let's explore what makes them the funniest dogs around.
Hit it hard. Oh! You okay, buddy?
The dog has learned a lesson to stay away from this girl, as far away as possible. Before leaving, he still didn't forget to take back his favorite toy. Can't you hear my stomach growling? I don't know why I can't have a snack now. Why do I have to wait for dinner?
Calling me out here? I'm in these fucking streets, bro. Out here in this
I think his operating system is broken. Please help him replace it.
This is bullshit.
What is it?
This is bullshit.
The boy needs more time to get used to his new shoes. It's so cute.
Remy, what are you doing, honey?
Bro, I need to work. What are you doing? This is my workstation.
You won't have time for work if you work from home because someone doesn't want you to work at all.
Okay. Do you want attention? Is that what you want?
Oh my gosh.
After Christmas, it's just a big stick for German Shepherds. It seems like the dog is very excited about his dad's kiss. When your dog makes the floor dirty and doesn't listen to you. Queen Remy declares 20 treats and 10 walks daily, or 5 toys as penalty. Long live the Queen.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll.
He ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. Yes, that's scary. Cleaning the garden is the least troublesome thing for dogs.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it.
It seems like I've discovered the weakness of German Shepherds.
No, 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 no.
The dog's help has made my dad's work more comfortable and quicker to finish. Play with your dog with the water hose. This will instantly make your boring day fun.
Look at Dad's legs.
It seems like our dog is very upset because he can't carry this stick back.
What?
What you got?
think will win this argument.
Nay, Island. There we go. Good girl.
Che? Ma che sta a fa? Dove sei andato a finire? Eh? Ma dove sei andato a finire?
Don't be curious about the holes in your yard if you have a German Shepherd.
Huh?
Max.
Sometimes I wonder about their guard dog title. Shouldn't they know how to use their noses?
Murphy. I can't hold it.
Because a shoe fell on its paw, hurting the little dog immediately wanted its friend to feel the same pain. A prime example of why men don't live as long as women.
All units, my tummy hurts. I'm gonna need a warm blankie and a cup of hot chalky.
No matter how old he gets, it's still his favorite thing. She just adopted that dog, but I think that dog adopted her.
Oh my God. She's like, I know, I want to go home. She's like, I want to go home.
Oh my God! What is that?
His innocent look seemed to say, "Sorry, but I'll definitely do it again." Remember to sort your trash. Don't mix up the bins.
Let's go, brother. It's time to play.
When we put the dog's tire toy on the chair, it doesn't matter who sits there. Don't worry, he just thinks the house isn't beautiful enough, so he's building you an indoor swimming pool.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the?
I'm thinking of finding a job for my dog so he can earn enough money to renovate the house for me.
He doesn't have a clue what's going on. Michael, you poor sweet thing. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you? Sweet boy.
Maybe he's found his own big stick.
That all this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, cause I found a stick and I'm using it today. I got a stick.
That's his mother. No one is allowed to hug or kiss anything unless he agrees, including his father.
Nola, no! Nola? No! Oh my God, Nola, you can't do that. It's a treadmill, girl. Oh my God.
7-month-old German Shepherd meets her reflection for the first time.
That's you! Change. Change.
This dog has been in the habit of helping its mother clean the house since it was a puppy.
Can I not give Mommy a hug?
Nope.
Come, please?
Stop!
May. Please?
Today I'm going to sleep with Mom. Dad, go to the sofa.
Nope.
I've never seen such an annoyed look on a dog's face. Turn up the volume and play this sound for your dog to see what happens.
Hey, Bob, you excited for your birthday dinner? You got pot roast, carrots, carrot cake, fit for a king on his 9th birthday?
It's time to say goodbye. Thank you for taking the time to watch this entire video. We hope you had relaxing and enjoyable moments. If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications when we upload new videos. See you in the next video.